everyone, I am Carl, Substitute Nurse from St. Minor here for the preparation of medication sample. First is to perform hand hygiene. Then organize the Then prepare check the label of medication vial with medication record.
So here, we're gonna clean the
Then perform dosage calculation if vial contains more medication than the time
But first, we need to open it before
remove thin seal stuff from the top of vial and wipe it with
and then the vial as well. Now let's remove the syringe from its package.
then dilute the powder, dilute the vial, dilute the drug.
First is remove the
Make sure na relax. Relax ba? Relax ka ba? Tara mo pag-uwi. Awang dagong.
Ay!
Nay dagong na. Ayan na bagong na. Natusok ka na. Ako magulit ko. Malok hindi ako dagong. Ay ganun ko. Kani make sure nga kani kay lock niya siya. Hindi siya matangga.
So, make sure na remove sa
Then insert the needle to the center of the system. And with the non-dominant hand, hold the vial and turn it up. And pull the needle that reaches the level is beneath the fluid level. And slowly
Imong kamot. Ano ka lang pag-connect na?
slowly pull the plunger until the appropriate amount of solution is according to.
Ano na? 0.5 lang naman tayo.
The next is to pour the vial.
Awa. Alagi na napagunit.
Then pull the needle out of the
Make
bottle.
sure ka na wala na siya yung bubbles as well.
If there's a presence of bubbles, gently flick the barrel with the dominant hand.
That is for
Uy!
the
Awa, ano bisa na pagunit? Masama jud ka na ron. Alagi ka na yan na lagi pagunit. Bahala mag-ano ng ka-permis, no mas bilang ka maginato masama siya sa paggunit ng mga to.
If bubble remains,
And then, kuha ni mo,
hold the needle
better iwan na lang siya i-flick it. Butang ka dito. Dili pa ka magamit sa syringe. Hindi ka mag-ibot. Ibalik siya dito. Insert ko siya sa package.
make sure ka na hindi ka masama sa needle. So you're gonna do the fishing.
then check the
May
solution. Compare the
So ito sa niya siya is
medication level with medication record. Then change the needle if the drug is known to be irritating. Then label the syringe with the drug name and the amount of drug. Place the syringe, medication record, and the full stop of the medication tray.
and then is
Then discard the or store equipment
ka na
properly.
nagamit like the equipment as well.
Discard.
Or mag-discard or put away all the mga irrelevant. Next is to discard the syringe.
Hand hygiene.